Hey there everyone, this is your host Mark from Blades & More with a review of this Eafengrow EF16 folding pocket knife. Eafengrow is a Chinese company that makes budget brand folding pocket knives, and this EF16 is a longer, slim, slender piece, mid-size, that has some nice qualities. It is very similar in design to this Eafengrow Tonto blade model that is quite obviously made by the same manufacturer, probably just with different names on the pieces, the Eafengrow and the Eafengrow. Different blade designs, identical handle designs. I'm showing the Eafengrow just as an example of this Eafengrow EF16. Give you a little idea about some of the manufacturing techniques in different companies and designs in China. This model has a drop point blade design, long, slim, slender blade. It's 8.42 inches overall length, this EF16, with a blade length of 3.74 inches and a close length of 4.68 inches long. This blade, just like the other one, the Eafengrow, has D2 blade material. Ball bearing pivot, both of them have, so they open very nicely. This has a regular flipper tab, this EF16, as opposed to the Eafengrow, which doesn't have any designation as far as a model number, with the Tonto blade, is a front flipper, as opposed to the rear type normal flipper on the EF16. The Eafengrow can be bought at GearBest. It's about the only place I see it. I see some Eafengrow on eBay also. The Eafengrow is more widely found. The Eafengrow EF16, Amazon, eBay, variety of other Chinese sites. Both of these knives have a G10 handle material that has this X pattern sculpturing in both of the handles. Long, slim, slender. Nice cutaway for the stainless steel liner lock bar. Locks up very nice. The stainless steel liners on this model have not been skeletonized. It's an open back handle design with one machined pillar in the butt of the handle. Nice lanyard hole in both of these models. They're both tip-up carry design with a right hand only carrying clip that shows some real estate when it's in your pocket. The ball bearing pivot system leads to almost perfect centering of the blade in the handle in this EF16. Let's take a look at this Eafengrow. See if I can say the same about that. Yes, I can. Perfect centering. Sits very nicely. The blade does. Front flipper, Tonto blade on this one. All of the other measurements are about the same. These both weigh approximately 3.77 ounce weight. And 8.5 inches in length would make me say it's probably a larger size knife, both of these, at least in length. Fits my large to extra large hand very well, the handle does. So there we go, everybody. Both of these knives come in around the $20 price point. Okay, there we go. It is the Eafengrow EF16 folding pocket knife. Thank you very much for watching. All right, bye now.